What's up YouTube? This is Linda from Alisol. Review of the Gucci padlock shoe bag in mid-size. Okay, now let me show you the bag directly. So here we have the shoe bag in mid-size. First about the measurement of the bag: 13.5 inches in width, 9 inches in height, and 6.6 inches in depth. Okay, now let me show you the material of the bag. The bag is made of classical GG spring canvas. It's real leather all over the bag, with the typical Gucci printing on the whole bag. That's really nice. And this is the in-front side of the bag. Here we have the lock. We have the lock of the bag. And right here we have a leather holder. We can open the bag like this and use the holder. We can use the holder to lock the bag like this. Okay, and here is the back side of the bag. The right side and the left side. And here is the bottom side of the bag. Okay, now let me open the bag and show you the interior of the bag. And inside the bag we have the Gucci leather tag. And inside the bag we have the velvet lining, velvet material, and right here we have a zippered pocket, and right here is the Gucci tag, and on the back of the tag we have the serial number. That's really nice. And let me open the bag and open the pocket, and we have a Gucci instruction book inside, and right here. And on another side we have another 2 pockets right here. You can put your paper right here. Okay, it's really nice. Do you like this shoe bag or not? You can